2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede commuter from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a really cool song on the acoustic guitar, Personal Jesus. Depeche Mode, come on! Alright, so this is pretty advanced, it's not for beginners. Also, if you want to play along with the record, you gotta put a capo on 2nd fret and play the same things I'm showing you. I just thought it sounded good in E. Alright, so we got E minor, 2nd finger, 3rd finger, and we got this lick. So low E, pinky on 3E, and then hit the octave, so that's 2 on D, back to 3, and you kind of want to do that while you're playing the whole chord. Cool, huh? And then we want to do the same thing over A minor. A minor, 1, 2, 3. Now pinky on 3A, and then you want to hit 2G back to 3A, and then G major. Let's play it like this: 3rd finger, 3rd fret G, E, pinky on 3rd fret, high E string, and mute A string. And then just go down a half. Keep the pinky where it is. A minor, G, F sharp. So this is the intro and the in-betweens. Verse, we got E minor, G major to D, 1, 2, 3, yeah, and then A minor, and then do this, it's B over C. I think we want like straight C. Just move the bass and keep the 1st finger where it is. Verse. Down, down. Okay, so now we got the intro and the in-between things, and we got the verses. After the first verse, Personal Jesus, they go to F sharp. to F. And you can play it like this. It's up to you. Either a bar chord, 2nd fret, 4, 4, 3, move it down to F, or that's 2, 3, 4, 4. So no low E. Second verse. E minor, G, D, A minor, B over C, C. Sharp to F. Let's see, something else happens. Trying to think. Yeah, after the second verse, they go to G, to F sharp over G, to D, not to C, 3, 4, and that's when that drum break is. Back to that. Verse. You hear it. This is the main part. Here, this verse, it goes back straight to A minor too. Okay, and what else is happening? Yeah, I think this is the main part. So let's just talk about it really quick before we end the lesson. Intro. To get that right here with the pinky. Same thing over A minor. And then G, played like this, F sharp over G. And then verses, E minor, G, D minor, A, B, C. End of the verses, they go to F sharp. Reach out the no. I think the second time they do that, I think that's when they go F sharp, F, and C. And that's the breakdown. But you hear it. So that's the main parts, guys. Works great on the acoustic guitar. I can't believe it. Just make sure that when you play along with the record, put a capo on 2nd fret. Cool. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe. Take it easy. Rock and roll.